Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my top high protein foods, and I've written a blog post down below that has my top 10. So there's a little more than 10 here, but I've just narrowed it down to 10 of the best food groups that are full of protein, whether you want to get more protein in your diet for nutritional reasons or you just want some more protein. There's lots of ideas here, and be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know your favorite ways to get protein. I'm going to start up here with eggs. You can't go wrong with eggs. Nice whole protein that you can make hard-boiled eggs to snack on. You can have fried, scrambled, omelette through the week. So many ways to have eggs to add protein to your diet. I like including Greek yogurt as my yogurt of choice. It's higher in protein. You can add some sweetness to it or just get a sweetened yogurt. It's a great protein option. Next, we've got cannellini beans. Any beans, lentils, black beans, lots of ways to include beans in your diet. Just depends on your nutrition, what you like to include, and your dietary requirements. Peanut butter, I'd say you go through a jar this size about a week. My kids love peanut butter and will eat peanut butter at every meal, and it's a great way of getting more protein that's nice and natural and so tasty and irresistible. And for snacking, I've got cashew nuts over there. You might prefer nuts, seeds. I've also got chia seeds over there. We love chia puddings. Chia puddings are a lovely snack, a lovely way to get more protein in your diet. Add in together your yogurt and some chia seeds, make a chia pudding, or you might make a mixed trail mix with nuts and seeds and some other options too. But I've got these cashew nuts here. You might just like any nuts, seeds. And moving through quickly, we've got Emmental cheese. Any cheese you like. Cheese is a lovely source of protein. Adding some to a meal just elevates the protein content and flavor too. I've got Emmental there. Any cheese you might like. I've got sardines here. My husband likes sardines. I'm more of a tuna fan myself, but you might like to include all kinds of fish in your diet to get more protein, just a bit on the side of a breakfast or lunch snack. Anything adds more protein. I've got cottage cheese here. It's a classic high protein favorite. We just absolutely love cottage cheese in the family. And finally, some traditional protein options. I've got some chicken thighs here. I'm actually going to make some soup with those chicken thighs, but that's chicken thighs. You might want like deli meats. I've got steak mince over here. You love having spaghetti bolognese. You might want to make burgers or meatballs. Lots of ways to include all of those foods in your diet, but that's today's short and sweet video with my top protein foods. Remember to check down below for the link to the blog post that has my top 10 protein foods. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.